Welcome to Smart, a world of limitless possibilities. Today, we're diving into the heart of innovation with the MSI Stealth 17 Studio, a powerhouse designed to elevate your content creation experience to new heights. MSI Stealth Studio are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the MSI Stealth 17 Studio from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. The first thing is the stunning design. The Stealth 17 Studio is not just a laptop, it's a work of art. With its sleek aluminum chassis and slim profile, it effortlessly combines style and substance, making a bold statement wherever you go. Now, let's see the heart of this machine, the display. The MSI Stealth 17 Studio boasts a breathtaking 17-inch 4K mini LED display, offering a visual feast of vibrant colors and crystal-clear details. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or simply immersing yourself in your favorite content, every pixel comes to life with precision. But what truly sets 17 Studio apart is its raw power. Packed with the latest Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, this laptop is a true workhorse. No matter how demanding your creative tasks are, the Stealth 17 Studio handles them with ease, ensuring smooth multitasking and lightning-fast rendering times. Navigating through levers is a breeze with the customizable RGB keyboard. Each key is individually backlit, allowing you to create the perfect workspace that suits your mood and workflow. The precision touchpad further enhances your control, providing a seamless and responsive creativity note, and neither does the Stealth 17 Studio. With a plethora of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, and HDMI, connecting your peripherals and external devices is a breeze. Stay connected and productive wherever you're creating. Now, let's in the room heat. The Stealth 17 Studio incorporates an advanced cooling system to keep temperatures in check during those intensive creative sessions. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to sustained peak performance. In conclusion, Stealth 17 Studio is not just a laptop, it's a creative sanctuary. It's where ideas come to life and imagination knows no boundaries. If you're a content creator seeking the perfect blend of power, performance, and style, look no further. Unleash your MSI Stealth 17 Studio. Elevate your content creation game and make every project a masterpiece. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.